Hello from Midlife Travel Tales.
Hi,
In
everybody.
today's video, we're going to be doing what, my honey?
Hout Bay, Camps Bay, Clifton beaches, and I think we're going to head up to Sea Point.
Yeah, we're going to take a drive to Sea Point as well, but we want to see this whole little stretch of coast that between Hout Bay and Cape Town.
Some beautiful beaches.
Some beautiful
along here.
beaches. We're going to go and see seals. We're going to ride boats. We're going to go to beaches. What else are we going to do? Eat food.
Eat. We're going to go and eat some fish and chips.
Yeah.
I think we're going to do that right now.
Yeah, and it's such a stunning day, and generally we just want to go and have some fun.
We are at Hout Bay.
Yeah, Hout Bay.
One of the famous spots in the Cape.
Yeah, it's a beautiful little town, but our main reason for being here is to look at the harbour and the seals. Yeah,
This
let's
is
go.
a great place to see seals.
Shall we go and see if we can get a boat out to Seal Island? Well, what's it called?
Seal
Duiker Island.
Island.
Duiker. No, it's called Duiker
Oh,
Island.
really?
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
always known it as Seal Island.
No, yeah. But this is Hout Bay, and this is the Mariners Wharf, which is a very popular part of Hout Bay. Lots of restaurants and that. We're going to go and try and find the boats and look at the seals.
Ahead, I can see a seal already lying on the.
Oh, there's a seal.
What is it? The
On the wharf.
wharf.
Yeah. So here's the beautiful Hout Bay area, and those mountains. There's a famous road that goes up the top there to Chapman's Peak. We're going to drive that road later, and there's a gentleman doing Tai Chi or something here. But this is the beach over here, and we're going to go and look at the seal. There's Cindy ahead. Hello, Marnie.
Look at the seal ahead.
Check out the seal ahead. My daughter's run up ahead of us. There's a seal. Look at that. There she is with the seal. Let's go and have a look. Hey, he's a big boy, hey? He's a big boy, that guy. Here's another smaller one. This one's just enjoying the sunshine. And there's no one around here, which is quite nice. And look at this little guy. Hey? Hello, little guy. Hello. Whoop. I got a fright there. Yeah, yeah. This one, yeah.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah. There's another one in the water there. Look at that. I think he's just lying there. There we go. Very cool. So this is the boat we're going to be going on. It's quite packed. But it's what is it? 100 and?
140 rand, about $7 US.
Yeah, so 140 rand per person. It also depends. It's seasonal because there's sometimes we've come here. It's been half of that. So this is all the people all packed in. So there's our boat.
The life jacket room is on the right hand side and the boat just past the bar. Please take note of the pictures around the boat which are to fit your life jacket. Boats do move around at sea, please ensure that you're holding on firmly at all times. Thank you.
There's the harbour, Hout Bay. So yeah, we're leaving the harbour, leaving the secure place, and that's heading out to sea to Duiker Island, also known as Seal Island. Look at the seals. Look at all those seals. It's so worth it to come here. It's really, really worth it to come here.
Right everyone, this is Duiker Island, known as Seal Island.
Yeah, we're coming back into the harbour. There's a castle on the hill there. If you can see, yeah, the castle's there on the hill. And here's the harbour. Lovely harbour, lovely boats, fishing boats, working harbour as well. What a great time. There's the people sitting, enjoying their food, different restaurants, refreshments. Lovely. So here there's also this lovely Ye Olde artifact cove and shipwreck shop, and just a lovely place. And look at this lovely shop, all the interesting goods, mainly to do with seafaring and the boats. So if you come to Hout Bay, come have a look in here. Absolutely gorgeous. Shane, thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Thank you. So I think we're going to eat here, have breakfast here. Welcome aboard. This is the restaurant. There's Captain Nelson. Let's see where we... There's lots of cool things here. So we're not going to do breakfast here, but even the toilets and that are going to cool. Look at the ships, and there's the old man. So let me find the men's. Don't know where the men's is. It must be down here. So one of the things when you come to Hout Bay that you have to do on the harbour is come get some food from Snookies. It's world famous. They make a delicious fish and chips. It's really busy today. Let's just see if we can get in. That'll be the next trick. This is the actual queue to get to Snookies today. I don't think we're going to do this today. We'll have to come another time, but I just want you guys to see this place. It does a great fish and chips. So that's the menu. So there's family meals, all those kind of things, man. You're going to turn it over. How much is the special? 100 Rand?
Just $5 US.
$5 for fish and chips, but in such a lovely setting and such a traditional place. This is what it's one of the traditional places to eat fish and chips here. But I think Mahani, we're going to have to find another place because we're not going to get anywhere if we queue.
We've got to be at some family in about less than an hour's time.
Yeah, so let's go and find a quieter place. So this is Sea Point.
Yeah.
Hey? This is a lot of people own property here. There's a lot of activity. You have people on scooters. See the guys on the scooters coming past here. Lots of blocks of flats. There's good beaches. It's very close to Clifton, which we're going to go to just now.
Probably, I think it's a little bit cheaper than Clifton and Camps Bay in terms of accommodations and things like that.
I think it's still pretty expensive.
Yeah, but I don't think it's as expensive.
Yeah, but there's a lot of activity. Look at everybody. There's a lovely promenade here walking along the seafront and that. Geez, a lot of scooters, eh?
Yeah, they hire them out.
Yeah, a lot of scooters. People are riding scooters. Kids everywhere. But look at this. It's really such a lovely day as well. Look at the people with their dogs over here. And yeah, very different to where we're staying, eh?
Much bigger and more people.
Yeah, a lot of more people.
Yeah.
So we're not going to stay in Sea Point long, but we just wanted to show you guys this is Sea Point, the beginning of the little drive we're doing today. We're at the Sea Point waterfront, it looks like, and we're just on the promenade here, and it looks like swimming pools over there. We'll show you some of the restaurants here, some of the buildings. This is where we're at. So there's mountains behind us, some of the flats, great places to come and stay, very close to the V&A waterfront, Sea Point. So you're close to the centre of Cape Town here. There's Cindy ahead of me. So here at the waterfront here, there's little places you can get lunches at, Snookies, Malay Delights, everybody sitting around, your bike hire, lots of different places you can hire scooters. And then that's the beaches and the seas here at Sea Point. Yeah, there's some yachts out there, people all over the beaches. Very beautiful. We're here at Clifton and we're trying to get down to the beach, but if we walk through these houses, the houses are right on the path here. And then so you walk through the houses and there's the beach ahead of us, and then we're still walking down the pathway there. So this is Clifton. It's quite Clifton 3rd and a half or 4th or something. Hey my honey, how beautiful is this beach? It's as beautiful as anything we've ever seen overseas.
As we stepped onto this beach, it reminded me of Crystal Bay in Thailand and Koh Samui.
Yeah,
With all the rocks
but
and
look at the boats out there and the boulders, and then
have a look at the homes behind us.
yeah, I'll turn around now. There's just people coming past there,
Imagine having a home here.
and look at the homes on the mountainside here. Just look at this, guys. This is absolutely amazing. These guys have got homes right here on the beach. Clifton lives up to its top billing.
Yeah.
So if you haven't been to Clifton, I would stay in Clifton if you come on holiday.
Yeah, if you got lots of money.
If you got lots of money. So this is Clifton 4th or 3rd beach. We're not quite sure. But look at the people, the umbrellas, just enjoying the day. Stunning day today, no wind, just lovely temperatures, about 24, 25 degrees, but just absolutely magnificent. And there in the corner there, you can see the bar there with the umbrellas and that. Great place to have drinks, sunsets. That might even be the lifesaving club, I think. But look at this. Look at these homes. Look at this beach. Wow. Hey, my gorgeous, I think I found my dream home.
You see the swimming pool
Look
there?
at the swimming pool, and it's got its own little beach here.
And the mountains behind.
And the mountains. It
got
is
everything.
just, look at this, guys. Wow. I forgot how beautiful Clifton was. We need to come and spend a weekend here.
We haven't been here for, I think it's over 25 years.
Yeah, for
Maybe
me,
even
for
longer.
me, it's about 35 years I haven't been to Clifton. Been driven through, but never kind of stopped here.
I
Yeah.
forgot how beautiful it is.
Yeah, we are walking through the houses to get back to the road where our car is. It's quite a steep walk, Manny.
Yeah.
But Cindy was saying how much these houses must be worth. Keep going, Mahoney. Can't even imagine, hey?
Mind your head.
But how beautiful is this place? I forgot. You know, you hear people talk about Clifton, 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 but you forget, hey? Look at these homes. So you wander through the homes almost to get to the beach. Incredible. We are here at Camps Bay Beach.
How beautiful
How
is it?
beautiful
And
is
it's a
this?
stunning day today.
Just a perfect day. We didn't bring our costumes. We're going to go and visit a cousin of Cindy's. And but look at this. This is just, what a stunning, stunning view. There's people all around. It's been a long winter here. But this is Camps Bay Beach.
Look at the mountains as well.
Look at the mountains. There we go. That's looking across to Camps Bay. Absolutely gorgeous. We're going to go and have a look at that just now. Drive into town, see what it's like.
Here are some of the shops and the restaurants that you can find across the road from Camps Bay.
A lot of life here, eh?
Absolutely.
People playing drums and
all the little restaurants that you can visit. Some really cool places.
That's lovely. Right across the road from the beach. Eh?
Yeah, you literally sit here and you watch the waves. It's beautiful.
But,
so many different restaurants, so many different bars.
Just be careful on the weekends. There is a lot of traffic, so I can imagine this place during holidays. There's probably a lot of traffic then as well. Here we are near the Camps Bay, between Camps Bay and Hout Bay. And we just want to show you, there's a shipwreck on the beach here, but look how gorgeous this all is. But over there is one of Cape Town's most famous hotels. We just couldn't get to go in front of it. My daughter, in fact, got offered a job there today. It's called the 12 Apostles, and it's a 5-star. It's got beautiful views. We've in fact just seen whales jumping right out in front here, and there's seals and everything. But look at that position. That is absolutely incredible. Hey, my honey, I think we got to go there sometime for coffee or
A glass of wine.
a glass.
On the veranda. How stunning.
But look behind us. So we got the sea in front of us, and just behind us where Cindy's looking, there's the mountains. You can go hiking in there. But again, the last look of this, there's the shipwreck, there's the 12 Apostles. Down that way is Camps Bay. Then it's Clifton over there around the point. And then there are whales and seals and everything out here.
So here's Dane. He's found his car.
It's my anniversary gift from Cindy.
How's this? It's your what?
It's my anniversary today, so this is my anniversary gift.
So you can actually hire this car for 8 hours from Cobra Experience, and you can drive along the cliffs and enjoy a lovely day's outing.
What a way to travel around these cliffs, eh?
Eh?
What a way to travel around the cliffs.
Am I going to get you out of here?
Hey, my honey, how beautiful is this?
Yeah, this is the famous Chapman's Peak Drive.
Yeah, there you can see up on the road there, and we've just paid, it's what, 64 Rand to drive it,
Toll.
which is about $3 US. And down there in that cove there, that is Hout Bay down there. Gorgeous. Out there is Seal Island off that point there. That's where all the seals are. That's where we went on the boat.
This is on the drive down Chapman's Peak. It's absolutely stunning as you drive along. Really beautiful.
There's little stop-off places.
Yeah, there's little places where you can stop and enjoy the view.
It's a nice cove.
Here we go through one of the little tunnels on the Chapman's Peak.
Check out, it's cut out of the rock the whole way.
Imagine trying to build this, cutting through this huge rock.
Crazy, hey?
Yeah. Took out overhangs as well.
Yeah.
Quite incredible. If you can see up on the hill there, on the rocks there, there's a lot of nets, and those are to catch any falling rocks.
Falling rocks.
All along Chapman's Peak you see these nets.
And then during bad weather days, Chapman's Peak in fact gets closed.
There on the other side is Duiker.
Yeah, two of those beaches, wow.
Big, wide, white sandy beaches with very cold water. The Atlantic Ocean is very cold.
Here's Cindy, and she's taking more videos. But look at that. Down towards Duiker down there, beautiful beaches. And across, right at the end there, you can see Duiker Lighthouse. Hi there, this is Dane from Midlife Travel Tales, just reminding you guys to subscribe, press that like button, and share. Also, please leave a comment if you liked the video. Have a great day.